Hello, welcome to Tuesday, October 6th with the Computer Science class. I wasn't quite sure to do with this day because I know seniors are taking the ACT test, and I remember after taking the test, my brain was just mush. So today is going to be a pretty light day because of that. Basically, what I made is a Justin Bieber programming activity. The main point of this activity is to help you with one of the programs from Chapter 2. All right, and specifically, it's this one where you use this scrubber thing to wipe Mr. Westphal out of some tweets, right? And this is a decently hard program. And so what the Bieber activity will do is walk you through a similar code, and then once you have that, it should be pretty easy to do this Westphal scrubber one. So that's what it's made for. Basically, if you already have this one done, then you don't really need to watch the Bieber thing. If you can do this without any help, boom, you're good. But if you do need help on this one, right, then I highly recommend watching the Bieber programming activity and doing following along, doing some of the coding with it, and then you'll be able to get the that chapter number 5 done, right? Then that one should be easier. One other thing I wanted to note about the starter code for this one, right? I did put the code out there in our starter code folder, and it looks like this, right? So you don't even really have to use this if you don't want. I just basically made some test sentences that you can test to see if Westphal is taken out of the string. If you want to just come up with your own strings, that's fine. You don't have to use this. The one thing is that in past year, students were confused and thought you had to make it scrub all 3 of these at once. So just get it to work for one of the sentences and then test your code by changing it to change it to the other test sentences, right? So you don't have to do the code 3 times over, just do it once and then test it with these 3 different strings. So I think in past years that was a little confusing to students, but honestly, you can do your own one if you want, and then just make a sentence that has Westphal in it and make sure that it gets taken out and replaced with stars. So I think that's it, right? That's just my introduction to this. And again, hopefully it's a pretty light day for you seniors. This is mostly a lesson to help with this program. All right, that is all. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.